Hello English learners and welcome to Englishsaid YouTube channel. In today's short video we are going to talk about this expression be in the same boat. Be in the same boat. Be in the same boat. It's very important expression that we use in English, okay? It's very useful. But before we jump into it, before we go to explain the meaning of this expression, make sure you like this video, and if you are new here, also make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to hit that bell notification. It's very important if you don't want to miss any video from Englishsaid. And now let's get back to our expression. We use this expression when we want to say that we are or am or somebody is in the same unpleasant situation as other people. And you know, boat is a small vehicle that we use for traveling on water, okay? This is a boat and this is water. So when I say I'm in the same boat, I don't mean that I'm exist on this vehicle or I'm on this vehicle with somebody. No, I don't mean that at all. What I mean is I have the same problem or I face the same difficulty just like you or just like somebody, okay? Let's look at some examples. Jimmy asks you, I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke means I don't have money. Okay? I'm broke means I don't have money. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? You? I'm sorry. I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat. You mean that you don't have money too. Okay? Moving to the second example. Don't despair, you're one of millions in the same boat. Don't despair, you're one of millions in the same boat. Don't despair means don't be sad or don't be hopeless. Why? Because you are not alone. Millions of people have the same problem. إذا معنى be in the same boat هو أن تكون في نفس القارب. هذا هو المعنى الحرفي لهذا التعبير، ولكن المعنى المراد من استعمال هذا التعبير هو أننا حينما نريد أن نقول بأن لدينا نفس المشكلة. مثلا جيمي حينما أراد أن يطلب من أحدكم أن يقرضه بعض المال وقال له I'm broke بمعنى أنا مفلس وليس لدي المال. I'm broke تعني I don't have money, okay? Can you lend me some money? هل يمكنك إقراضي بعض المال؟ أجابه أحدكم I'm sorry أنا آسف. I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat بمعنى لدي نفس المشكل. I'm in the same boat. كذلك هنا في هذا المثال don't despair لا تيأس. don't despair لا تيأس. you are one أنت واحد من الملايين الذين لديهم نفس المشكل. okay? you are one of millions in the same boat. أنت واحد من الملايين في نفس القارب بمعنى في نفس المشكلة. great. إذن آمل أنكم قد فهمتم هذا التعبير. إلى أن نلتقي بحول الله في درس جديد. لا تنسوا أن تضعوا لي بعض الأمثلة باستعمال هذا التعبير. أوكي؟ إلى أن نلتقي بحول الله في درس جديد. أراكم بخير. See you in the next video.